morning, class. So before we start, please stand for our prayer. Mr. Gambo, please lead the prayer. Amen. So, good morning, class. Before we start, let's check your attendance first. Mr. Cruz, our monitor, please tell me who is absent today. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. So, let us review the lesson that we tackled last time. Who among you here could recall the lesson that we discussed last meeting? Okay, yes, Mr. Ruben. Very good. The last topic that we discussed last meeting was all about the levels of biological organization. So before we start our lesson proper, please refer to your textbooks. We have 2 images there. Please tell me the name of those images. Yes, Aligan was the first image. Okay, the first image was a whale, or specifically, that is a blue whale. Yes, Bulkin, what's the second image? Okay, very good. The second image is an image of the amoeba. Okay, class, did you know that the biggest living organism in the world is the blue whale, which is composed of 100 quadrillion cells? The human body, or our body, is composed of approximately 50 to 75 trillion cells. And the smallest living organism in the world is the amoeba, which is only composed of 1 cell. So for our lesson proper, we have first our activity. Please refer to your textbooks. We have 3 images there, and please tell me the name of those images. Yes, Kumbo, what's the first image? Okay. The first image is a stuffed. Yes, Leonard, what's the second image? Okay, the second image is a car. Or a toy car. Yes, Biron, what's the third image? Very good. The third image are the gadgets or softwares. Okay, based on activity, let us answer the following questions. Okay, number 1, what do all 3 things share in common? Yes, Aligan. Okay, very good. They are things that do not possess life, or they are non-living things. Okay, second, are the objects found in pictures non-living or living? How do you know? Yes, Miss Padrilla. Very good. Okay, those objects are non-living because they do not have cells, they do not grow and develop. Okay. Okay, the last question. Do you think it has the same components compared to the other images? Yes, Arka? Yes, very good. Although they were all non-living things, they still do not possess the same components because of how they were made. Okay. Structurally, plants and animal cells are similar to each other because they are both eukaryotic cells. So when we say eukaryotic cells, these are cells possessing clearly defined nucleus. Human have brains, cell have nucleus. So beyond size, the main structural differences between plant and animal cells lie in a few additional structures found in plant cells. So these additional structures composed of chloroplasts, the cell wall, and the vacuoles. So what I have here are the similarities and differences between the plant and the animal cells. Okay, first the similarities of both cells. So both type of cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. So their differences are: animal cell has smaller in size, while the plant cell is larger in size. So the animal cell do not have definite shape, while the plant cell have a fixed shape. So cells are arranged irregularly on animal cell, and plant cells are arranged in irregular pattern. So animal cells do not have cell walls, while the plant cells have. So vacuoles are usually absent. If present, vacuoles are smaller in animal cell. So the plant cell have a large central vacuole. So animal cells do not have chloroplast, while plant cells, especially the green plants, have the chloroplast. So animal cells store food in the form of glycogen, and the plant cells store food in the form of starch. Understood? Okay, for your assessment, please take a 1/4 sheet of bad paper. So for your assessment, write 8P. If the organelle is present in both animal and plant cells, and P or A if the organelle is either found in plant and animal cells. So understood? Okay. Number 1, nucleus. Where can we find this organelle nucleus? Number 2, cell membrane. Cell membrane. Number 3, cell wall. Cell wall. Number 4, cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. Number 5, cytosol. Cytosol. Number 6, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Number 7, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts. Number 8, vacuoles. Vacuoles. Number 9, peroxisomes. Peroxisomes. Understood? Okay, number 10, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. Number 11, lysosome. Lysosome. Lastly, number 12, mitochondria. Mitochondria. Okay, let us check your papers. Please exchange your papers with your seatmates. Who could answer number 1? Okay, Sir Doban, what's the answer for number 1? Where could we find nucleus? Okay, very good. It could be found on both animal and plant cells. Number 2, cell membrane. Yes, Allegiant? Very good. It could be found also on both animal and plant cells. Number 3, cell wall. Okay, very good. It could be found on only plant cells. Number 4, cytoskeleton. Very good. It could be found on both animal and plant cells. Cytosol. Yes, Alika. Yes, it could be found also on maybe both animal and plant cells. Number 6, the endoplasmic reticulum. Very good. It could be found again on both animal and plant cells. Number 7, the chloroplasts. Yes, Timova, Eric. Very good. It could be found only on plant cells. Number 8, vacuoles. Yes, Arca. Very also on only plant cells. Number 9, peroxisomes. Yes, it could be found on both animal and plant cells. The Golgi apparatus, number 10. Yes, the band again. Yes, it could be found in AP, sorry, the band. The lysosome, where could we find the lysosome? Yes, here we are. Yes, very good. It could be found on animal cell. Number 12, mitochondria. Mitochondria. Yes, Aligan again. Very good. It could be found on both animal and plant cells. Okay, we get the perfect score. Okay, Aligan, Thurban, Arca, Copayeron, Dinar. Okay, you've got 11. Okay, your scores are great. 11 and perfect score. So for your assignment, draw a plant and animal cell in a short bond paper. Number 2, read and advance the ecosystem on pages 164 to 176 on your science textbook. Okay, understood? Okay, that's it for today. Class dismissed.